Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by validating basics and taking immediate action. Confirm your carrier shows 5G where you are, then reboot the phone and toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to force a fresh registration. Make sure the SIM is seated properly and your plan includes 5G. Contact support only if activation flags appear. Once done, watch the status bar for the 5G icon and note signal bars. These quick steps clear common registration and software glitches before deeper diagnostics. Now you dive into detailed execution. Open network settings and switch between 5G and 4G to see if the phone falls back cleanly, which indicates coverage or band issues. Next, update carrier settings, refresh the PRL, or perform a network reset. These rewrite provisioning and can restore lost bands. Use a diagnostic app or the modem info screen to read the connected band and signal strength in dBm, because that explains whether you lack signal, band support, or are on a slow wave edge. Finish by optimizing location and hardware. Move outdoors or to a higher floor and test again, because physical obstructions kill 5G more than 4G. Make sure the device firmware is current and that your phone supports the local 5G bands. Unsupported bands mean no connection, not a carrier fault. If problems persist, insert a different SIM or have the carrier check provisioning with the band and dBm figures you collected. If nothing works, one key tip: factory reset only after backing up everything.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.